Hi everybody, Alan Nichols here with MAXHUB, here to introduce you our new Express Install Kit. So the Express Install Kit is going to be more than just an MTR. The Express Install Kit is a way for you, your customers, or any end user to get an MTR, not have to drill into walls, you don't have to hang anything, you don't have to do any permanent installs on your office. What it is it comes with our base piece, so is our mount. So the mount can hold anything from a 43-inch to a 65-inch display. We can mount our bar, and back here we can actually mount our complete Teams room and all of our wiring, and we can get our touch panel right here on it as well. So where this kind of lives, this is going to live in a space where, say you're going to have a small office. You want to be able to pop this on a table. You don't want to do anything intrusive to your office. Say you have a lease and you're going to be out in a year. You don't want to damage the walls. Express Install Kit is going to be your way to go. Or say you have a lot of small rooms, small to medium rooms. You don't want to have to mount it in every single room. You want to cut your integration costs down. Or if you're an integrator, you want to be able to bring a full unit to your customer and just drop it on the table and go. This is where that is going to fit. We're not going to use these in large rooms, extra large rooms. These are essentially going to be for small rooms and huddle rooms. So the Express Install Kit works with both of our MTR kits, which is going to be our X-Core Kit and our X-Core Kit Pro, depending on the needs. So we always recommend the X-Core Kit. We can mount either our U50 bar on this one. We also have kits coming out with other manufacturers as well. So we're going to be able to put our K50 180 camera on here as well. Any video bar that you really want to put on there, we'll be able to facilitate it. So that's going to be our Express Install Kit. So just remember, this is going to be for small, medium business. It's going to be for small rooms, huddle rooms, or to just kind of keep your integration costs down. Thank you.